Welcome students to our English class standard 12. Today we are going to do brainstorming of the cop and the anthem. The first question is find out the different ways in which Soapy tried to get arrested. First one is already given to you. He tried to enter a luxurious cafe. The next one is he threw the stone and broke the glass of the shop window. He ate in the restaurant and did not pay the bill. He shouted, howled, and danced in the middle of the road. So these are the four ways in which Soapy tried to get arrested. Next question is describe the atmosphere when Soapy reached near the church. So near the church, what was the atmosphere? There was a soft light glowed through the violet stained window. The sweet music was drifting out, was coming out, flowing out of the old church. There was a full radiant moon, full moon was there, and few vehicles were moving on the road, and also some pedestrians, the people walking by on the road. There were some sparrows that twittered sleepily in the eaves, that is the place under the roof. Next question is match the following. The incidences in column A are to be matched with the consequences in column B. The answers are given on the right side of the column B sentence. You can go through it. Next question is give reasons and complete the following sentence. It is the same as completing the sentences. The first one is given. The Soapy had confidence in himself because you have to give the reasons. So he was shaven and his coat was trimmed and he had a neat black bow. So this is one of the reason why he was confident. The second one is the portion of him that showed above the table looked respectable and would raise no doubt in the waiter's mind. So it means that he was looking better from the upper part of his body. Next is the head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Soapy to enter because why he did not allow? Because his trousers, that is his pants, were tattered and also his shoes were very old. That was the reason the waiter has thrown him out of the cafe. The next is the cop did not arrest Soapy for breaking the glass window because the cop felt that if the person has done something wrong, he won't stand there and talk with the police. That was the reason. Next one is the cop did not arrest Soapy for shouting and dancing on the road because he has misunderstood him to be the student of a college, and they were given the instructions that these college students will be are noisy but they are not harmful to anyone. So that was the reason he has misunderstood that Soapy is from that college, and that is why from the Yale college, and that is why he did not arrest him. Now this is one of the activities. Pick out the lines from the text that show that this particular sentence is given here and which sentences from the extract can tell that this has happened. For example, the first sentence is Soapy wants to enter the cafe for two reasons. So what are the reasons? Which sentences show that Soapy wanted to enter the cafe? For what? So these sentences show it. A roasted mallard duck thought Soapy would be about a thing with a bottle of wine, and then so all these things he wanted to go to the cafe and have it. Next is the meat would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter island. So this sentence shows that Soapy wanted to enter the cafe. Likewise, for the B next question, next sentence, Soapy was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prison. Why was he afraid? Because it seemed that his route to the coveted island was not to be an easy one. This sentence shows that he was afraid. And also the second sentence, some other way of entering the limbo must be devised. So he wanted to design some other way. So this shows that he was unable to enter the prison. He was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prison. Next question is Soapy was not caught by the cough for throwing the stones. So which sentences show that? These are given here, you can read it. Next two sentences you can do it for homework. Now the next question is Soapy's earlier life was much different from his present life. The comparisons are there, so you are going to write the points about his early life and the present life. So while reading this, going through the story and reading it, you can come through certain words which show his earlier life and his present life. So those words are taken here. Contained friends and roses, so this is one of the words which is given there. Eager ambitions, clean clothes, these words show that with reference to the earlier life. Next is present life, present unworthy desires, degraded days, dead hopes, wrecked faculties, bad motives, all these words show his present life. Next question is after listening to the sweet and the solemn organ notes. Organ is an instrument which is being played in the church. So Soapy decides to, after he is listening to those notes means music of organ, what does he decide after listening to the anthem? He pulls himself out of the mire means all the bad things. He conquers the evil and had enslaved him and make a man of himself again means he wants to be a man, someone in his life. Reassert his old eager ambitions. He wants to go back to his old ambitions and pursue them without without faltering. So for here he doesn't want to lose the courage and go and take up his ambitions. He wants to go into the roaring downtown means he wants to go to the town and find some work for himself. Next question is write an incident in which you did something wrong and repented. Repented means you felt sorry. So you have to write some incidents in which you did something wrong and you were sorry for that incident. And you have to give the reasons why were you sorry for it. So this is a homework part, you have to do it by yourself. Now in the next question, here it is said that O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Soapy wants to reach. So Soapy wanted to reach to the prison, but different words are used instead of prison by the writer. So from the lesson you have to make which are those words that are referred to as prison. The first one is the island, second is Arcadia, coveted island, limbo, winter island. Next question is find out the words used for the degraded state of Soapy. Means which words give us the meaning of degraded state of Soapy. The pit into which he had tumbled, the degraded days, unworthy desires, dead hopes, wrecked faculties, base motives, mire, evil that had enslaved him. All these words show that Soapy was in a degraded state. Next question is the specific meaning of the word anthem. What is the meaning of the word anthem? So the meaning of the word anthem is a rousing or uplifting song. Means the song that gives you inspiration. Convert the following sentences into negative without changing their meaning. Now this is already this portion is taught to you in your lower classes. Here you have to change the sentence into negative without changing the meaning. So you have to put a negative word in that sentence. First one is Soapy drifted along twice unsuccessfully. Soapy drifted along twice unsuccessfully will become not successful. So the opposite word we have used. Next sentence is the policeman refused to accept Soapy even as a clue. The policeman did not accept, refused to accept did not accept. So we have changed only that part of the sentence and we have put a negative word. Likewise, in other sentences also, you can see the underlined part and how we have changed it. Go through that sentences and check out how we have made the sentences into negative sentence. Now here in this question, we have to make the sentences into affirmative. So negative sentences are changed into affirmative. The underlined part, that part we have changed it. The negative part we have made it into the affirmative part. So let's see how we have done it. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Men who smash windows refrain from remaining to chat with the police. Likewise, you have to do. Why don't you call a cop? This is a negative sentence. We have said it with please call a cop. Next one is, on the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. So next one is, on the opposite side of the street was a very ordinary restaurant. Next one, noisy but no harm. The answer is noisy but no harm will become harmless. So like that. Next sentence, they seem to regard him as a king who could do no wrong. They seem to regard him as a king who was always right. So in this way we can convert the sentences into affirmative. Negative sentences can be converted. Now here in this question, it is a writing skill part and we have the two questions, that is view and counter view and interview. These two questions are given. The topic for the view and counter view question: forgiveness is often better than punishment. Write two paragraphs, one for and another against this idea. Notion means idea. So that idea is given that forgiveness is often better than punishment. So it is better to forgive than to punish. So here the view is, to err is human, to forgive is divine. That you have to write it in a view section, or this section will be given to you when view counter view question is given. But here the pattern is little bit changed and here you have to write both for and against paragraphs. So like that you have to complete it in your notebook. Next one is, you are the representative and you have been asked by the principal to conduct an interview of a cop. So a cop means a police is being interviewed and you have to frame the questions. This part is not new one. So you have to form the questions asking to the police. So you can make use of the 5 points that are given and make 8 questions of it and develop this interview question of writing skill. Now here in this question, make a list of jobs which would give you an opportunity to help the society or serve the country. What jobs will be you will be able to help to your country? So that jobs you can write it, or to the society. That will be the jobs of soldier, that will be the job of a doctor. All these jobs you can make a list of it and write, think over it and write. Next one is, go to the college library and read some other stories of O. Henry, The Gift of Maggie, The Last Leaf. All these are the different stories written by O. Henry. You can go through and read it. Now here the meanings of this particular lesson are given to you. If you find any word difficult, you can go through this slide and you can refer to the meanings. Now here we come to the end of the topic, the story, the cop and the anthem. Indeed, it was an interesting story. And also we have completed the brainstorming part. If you have any difficulties, you can refer to the slides again and you can clear your doubts. Now we can meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, keep watching and thanks for watching. Goodbye.